Mabuhay and welcome to the Philippine Pavilion. In the year 1521, Ferdinand Magellan stepped into the Philippines, first among the Europeans. 2021 marks a half millennium since then.
Today, more than celebrating the 500 years of Green Islands, we celebrate the rich history and diverse cultures the Philippines has always had, even before then.
With that being said, we present the main concept of our Philippine Pavilion, the Trees of Life, adhering to the exposition theme, Unity in Diversity.
While trees symbolize the strength and diversity of the Filipinos, each tree also symbolizes each major island group of the Philippines in its architectural details.
In light of the pandemic, spaces must be redefined for comfortability, safety, and security. The circulation allows people to easily and clearly view each exhibit without it feeling cramped. Much of the exhibit is also open, so it allows decent sunlight and natural ventilation.
Upon entrance, visitors are welcomed by the diversity in trees and structures. From here, visitors also have a sneak peek of the ongoing performances at the amphitheater of the pavilion. They will then proceed to the entrance lobby, which will be followed by the first exhibit of the pavilion.
The first exhibit showcases the culture of the Visayas region. The main concept stems from mangroves, or locally known as bakawan in the Philippines. The design from the exteriors and interiors are all inspired by mangroves. The facade is inspired by its form, and the columns and roofs are all inspired by its long vertical arching roots. In the first level, visitors will be welcomed by a lobby, which will be the starting point of their tour. The lobby is inspired by the mangrove's roots, which are known to be the home of several animal and plant species. After this, they will be escorted to a circular ramp going to the second floor, which houses the exhibit space for the Visayas region. The Visayas region is known for its beautiful white beaches and magnificent ocean and sea life, such as the world-renowned Boracay Island and the numerous diving spots in Cebu and Bohol.
As visitors walk to the next exhibit, visual teasers are placed along the walkway to give them a preview of the next exhibit. The second exhibit showcases the culture of the Luzon region. The main concept stems from the anahaw tree, which is known for its fan-shaped leaves and crowded at the top of the trunk. The trunk is smooth, straight, and marked with leaf scars. Translated in its architectural details, the canopy resembles the symmetry and pattern of the anahaw leaves. The facade and columns also take inspiration from the leaves and trunk of the tree. Inside the exhibit then showcases the variety of cultures within Luzon itself, from the rural to urban areas. Some of these are historical sites, architectural heritage, the iconic terraces, and even skyscrapers, all to be explored within the exhibit.
The third exhibit showcases the culture of the Mindanao region. The main concept stems from the bagasse tree. The trunk of the trees are well known for its vibrant colors, which is reflected on the centerpiece of the exhibit with a contemporary take. Since Mindanao is full of colors, the whole exhibit is inspired by these colors. As you can see on the screens, they have colorful festivals like the Kadayawan Festival, Tuna Festival, and the Tinalak Festival. They are also known for their beautiful textiles like the Tinalak, Yakan, Maranawan, and the Tausug. The place is also known for their vintas, a colorful boat with colorful sails, and Sari Manok, a magical bird with colorful feathers. After viewing all three exhibits, visitors are free to explore the entire ground floor, whether it be the food stalls, drink stalls, or the amphitheater.
If visitors wish to stay and view the performances and exhibits in its entirety, they can visit the third floor to have a full view of the pavilion.
More than the exhibits, spaces for other activities are also provided, such as designated toilet rooms and a storage area for the performers. Besides this, the exhibit is also viewable at night, with lights adding to the ambience of the exhibits.
And that marks the end of our Philippine Pavilion, the Trees of Life, celebrating the unity and diversity of the Philippines.
We hope that we all continue to find meaning and beauty in our culture and capture it, the same way as it had inspired ours.
Salamat at maligayang pagdating dito sa Pilipinas.